So I'm not sure if I've read this part before, but it's pretty funny. Cocktails based on a whiskey sour. When we leave gin and rum to take up whiskeys and brandies, we immediately reduce drastically the limit on the number of palatable blends in which we can indulge. Gin and rum, at least white label Cuban rum, have bland flavors that marry with other flavors to produce an entirely new taste that is a perfect blend of the two. Whiskey, on the other hand, and to somewhat lesser degree brandy, is a grouchy old bachelor that stubbornly insists on maintaining its own independence and is seldom to be found in a marrying mood. Its flavor refuses to be subdued. That's why we're making this, and that's probably why whiskey tastes so good on its own, because it's a stubborn old curmudgeon. The thing we're doing today is called a You and I, and it's a whiskey sour with orange Curaçao in place of sugar syrup. So whiskey sour is 1 part sugar syrup, so it'll be 1 part Curaçao. 1 part Curaçao. Starting with the small side of the jigger, you'll see why. That is 2 parts lemon juice, so we can switch over to the large jigger, because it's precisely double the size of the small. And for our whiskey, we're using a bourbon whiskey from Montana. It's called 1889, and it has a cute little cow skull on it. Love to see it. And it's 8 parts of this. Luckily, that means only 4 of these tall boys. This is a pretty spicy whiskey, so it'll be pretty flavorful. And also, I'm splitting this in half, so we're only getting 2 shots of whiskey apiece. Can't even imagine. If you did the tall for yourself, I mean, we've discussed this in many videos. This guy's trying to kill people with this book. Obviously, we'll want some ice. Ice is in here. It's actually like steaming. Cool. This whiskey smells kind of like moonshine a little bit. Got that corn in it! See what this looks like. Blue. Hard to believe. Curaçao goes a long way. This is called a You and I.
Oh.
Adorable, right?
It is.
Decent.
Actually, yeah.
This is basically the same juice. The same. There's another recipe that we've done before called a Curaçao, and the Curaçao is like identical ingredients, but it's like a different mixture. So you reverse the lemon juice and the Curaçao, so it's 2 parts Curaçao, 1 part lemon juice, and it's like only 6 parts of whiskey. So the other flavors come through a lot stronger. I actually think this is a lot better because it just sort of complements the whiskey and doesn't overpower it, and it still looks pretty and blue. So try one and then like and subscribe. Like, I like to get drunk and buy stuff. Get drunk and then like my video. That seems fun. Why not?